I'd like to introduce the new SK5194. This is the Liftgate latch to striker gauge. It's a tool used to measure the position of the striker relative to the latch. It's a compact electronic gauge made from tool steel and aluminum construction. It has a built-in connector that's used to connect to a data collector or readout device. It has a full 10 millimeters of travel. And it's also used in conjunction with this master block that is being demonstrated. Directly connects to the gauge, and now you can zero the tool to the data collector, and now you're ready to go take some measurements. Now, to demonstrate how the tool is used, you simply raise the liftgate to the open position. You then insert the gauge into the latch assembly. It clicks into place as shown. And then slowly close or lower the liftgate to make contact with the tool itself. It's not going to be the fully closed position, but it will make contact, and the V on the gauge will make contact with the striker itself. At this point, you're ready to sample the data, as shown here. And finally, to complete the measurement routine, simply depress the latch and release the tool.